What's up, YouTube? Deleted my other video and thought I'd do a little better one. This is my Yamaha FZ6R, and I got it for $1,800. It's not bad. She still runs. She has 30,000 miles on it, which is pretty high for a motorcycle, but it's gonna go forever. As you can see, it was rebuilt. I believe the guy crashed it. You can see all the damage right there. And then even under here, see how yeah, that's all nasty. So I gotta replace that. It was holding on there, but I leaned on it and broke it. This is time for me to replace that anyway. I installed this little bright light bar. It's gonna be real nice. Overall, it's a good bike. She start right up. She sounds good. We didn't want no bike that didn't sound nice. You know, it had to be loud. Let's get started right now. Looking forward to doing some cruises. Turn the beams on real quick. But what I'm going to do is, see how I turn on and off with the beams? That turn on and off is going to be that. Overall, she's a mean fucking bike though. Love it. Gotta fix it. She's nice. $1,800 well spent. If you ask me, my wife loves it. As soon as she dropped the baby, we're going to be getting her a Duke or something. I know something. Y'all leave in the comments. She think it'd be a good starter bike for her. But like, subscribe, share, and yeah, stay tuned.